Hello. In our study of the Bible in English, today we will practice how to make questions, how to form the future tense in English. Before we study our table, which shows how to use the auxiliary verb will, let's add these 7 words to our vocabulary. How do you say desierto in English? Wilderness. Please repeat these 7 words after me. Wilderness, tempter, command, devil, stone, worship, away with you, away with you. What does wilderness mean? What does tempter mean? What does command mean? What does devil mean? What does stone mean? What does worship mean? What does away with you mean? What does away with you mean? Okay, this is our table showing how the auxiliary verb will works. The same conjugation for all the persons from I, will, down to they will. Questions, will I, plus the base form of the main verb, will I, will you, will he, will she, will it, will we, will you, will they? Affirmative answer, yes I will, yes you will, all the way down to yes, they will. And won't is the contraction of will not. It's perfectly okay to answer no, I will not, or we can use the contraction no, I won't. No, you won't. No, he won't. No, she won't. No, it won't. No, we won't. No, you won't. No, they won't. We use the auxiliary verb will to help any verb make a question. Any verb. Be included. Be included. We conjugate will with the given person and add the main verb in base form, always. Main verb have, expressing an action. I will have, yo tendré. She will have, ella tendrá. They will have, ellos tendrán. We could say that the future tense is really easy to form, to work with in English. Always the same conjugation, will, plus our base form. And in the questions, the same conjugation for all the persons, will I, will you, and our main verb in base form. How do you say que tendré yo in English? What will I have? Que tendrá ella? What will she have? Here we can see all the rest of our questions. Que tendrá eso? ¿Qué tendremos nosotros? ¿Qué tendrán ustedes? ¿Qué tendrán ellos? What will she have? What will it have? What will we have? What will you have? What will they have? As you can see, the verb will, the future, is a very simple tense to form. That's how we form the future simple tense, affirmative on the left, interrogative on the right. The same happens with all verbs in English. This time, be is included. I will do, you will do, the same for all the persons, will do. Question, what will I do? What will you do? What will he do? What will she do? In a later video, we will start working with be, but if you are wondering how be functions together with will, well, how do you say que seré yo, que serás tú, que será él? what will I be, what will you be, what will he be, all the way down to ¿qué serán ellos? What will they be? Very well. So let's move on to listen to the Gospel for March 1st, 2020.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Apostle Matthew. Jesus was led by the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil. He fasted 40 days and 40 nights, and afterwards he was famished. The tempter came and said to him, "If you are the Son of God, command these stones to become loaves of bread." But he answered, "It is written, 'One does not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God.'" Then the devil took him to the holy city and placed him on the pinnacle of the temple, saying to him, "If you are the Son of God, throw yourself down, for it is written, 'He will command his angels concerning you, and on their hands they will bear you up, so that you will not dash your foot against a stone.'" Jesus said to him, "Again it is written, 'Do not put the Lord your God to the test.'" Again, the devil took him to a very high mountain and showed him all the kingdoms of the world and their splendor. And he said to him, "All these I will give you, if you will fall down and worship me." Jesus said to him, "Away with you, Satan. For it is written, 'Worship the Lord your God, and serve only him.'" Then the devil left him, and suddenly angels came and waited on him. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Well, no practice section in this video. As I told you, the verb, the tense, future simple, is really simple to work with in English. And I just repeat the two examples we find in the Gospel of March 1st. He will command. This is God speaking. I mean, the devil mentions this, but he refers to when in the Bible we can listen to God saying that he will command his angels concerning his son. So, well, this is the devil trying to tempt Jesus to test his father, to which he answers, "It's also written, do not put the Lord your God to the test." The second example also, the devil is speaking here, "I will give you." Let me read this part of the gospel. Again, the devil took Jesus to a very high mountain and showed him all the kingdoms of the world and their splendor. And the devil said to Jesus, "All this I will give you if you will fall down and worship me." Jesus said to him, "Away with you, Satan, for it is written, 'Worship the Lord your God and serve only him.'" Then the devil left him, and suddenly angels came and waited on him. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. I look forward to meeting you again for our next video.